Hi, hello, and welcome to Maths Fair. In this video, you are going to learn about finding the solution of linear pair of equation by using the graph. In the previous videos, we have discussed about finding the solution of linear pair of equations by using the elimination method and substitution method. So this is one more type of method to solve linear equations. Let us see how to solve the linear equations by using the graph. Let us solve one pair of linear equations. So here the two equations are x minus 2y equals to 0 and 3x plus 4y equals to 0. So now we have to find the solution of this linear equation. Solution means at what x and y values these two linear pair of equation will satisfy. At what x and y values they satisfy, those are the solution of the linear pair of equation. So this we can find by different methods, substitution, elimination. So let us see in the graphical method how can we solve. First, before going to draw the graph, we need to take the coordinates, x coordinate, y coordinate. To find that, so there is a process to follow. Let's see. So first we need to know whether these lines are intersecting, parallel or coincident. By comparing the ratio of the coefficients, we can say which lines are parallel, which lines are intersect and which lines are coincident. Let us check. The ratio a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. So from the given pair of equation, write the coefficients a1, b1, c1. So here a1 is the coefficient of first term, coefficient of x, that is 1, and b1 is coefficient of y, that is minus 2, and c1, that is the constant term 0. Next, in the second equation, a2 is 3 and b2 is 4. Then C2 is 20. So now take the ratio a1 by a2. What we get a1 by a2? a1 by a2. So a1 value is 1 by a2 value is 3. Next b1 by b2. b1 by b2 equal to b1 is minus 2. Minus 2 by 4. So we can cancel this. By cancelling we get minus 1 by 2. And c1 by c2 is 0 by 20. Nothing but that is 0. So now let us see the ratio a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. They are not equal. They are not equal. So first compare the a1 by a2 and b1 by b2. They are not equal. So if they are not equal, then they are intersecting lines. The given pair of linear equations are intersecting. Given linear equations are intersecting. Intersecting lines. So let us represent these on the graph. So before going to represent, we need to know the coordinate. So first find the x and y coordinates for this given pair of linear equation. First take this as equation number 1 and it is equation number 2. So now we need to know the x coordinate and y coordinate for the both lines. First, let us take the equation 1. So, that is x minus 2y equal to 0. So, from these, if you transpose 2y, then it becomes as x equals to 2y. X equals to 2y. So, by substituting y values in this equation, we can get the x values, then xy coordinates we will get. So, now what I am doing here? So, now we are drawing the lines. Minimum 2 points are enough to draw the line. So, just better to take the only 2 points. First I am putting here in the place of y 0. Put y equals to 0. Then what we get here? X equals to 2 of 0. 2 zeros are 0. So then the point x comma y is equals to 0 comma 0. That is go through the origin. And next put a y equals to 1 in that. Put y equals to 1. Then what we get here? X equals to 2 of 1. 2 ones are 2. So then the coordinates x comma y equal to 2 comma 1. So these are the 2 points to draw the first line. So let us draw here one table for the first equation x, y, x comma y. So x coordinates are 0 and 2, 0, 2. Then y coordinates are 0 and 1. The points are 0 comma 0 and 2 comma 1. Clear? Now let us try the coordinates for the second equation, that is 3x plus 4y equal to 20. So now here I am transposing x value, then it becomes 4y equals to 20 minus 3x. Then after transpose 4, then y equal to 20 minus 3x by 4. Now here we need to put the x values, then we get the y value. If you put x value as 0, then it becomes 0. 3 zeros are 0. 20 by 4, we get one value. Put x equals to 0. Then what we get here? Y equals to 20 minus 3 into 0, that is 0, by 4. It is 20 by 4. Nothing but 4 1 ja, 4 5 ja. Then the coordinates x comma y are x coordinate 0 and the y coordinate is 5. 0 comma 5. Next put here x value 1. If you put 1, it may take it, we will get the decimal places. Better to take the multiple of 4 because the denominator is 4. Put x equals to 4. Then here we get y equals to 20 minus 3 4 ja 12 by 4. 20 minus 12 is 8. 8 by 4, that is 2. So then the coordinates x comma y are x coordinate is 4 and the y coordinate is 2. Let us arrange that in the table. X, y and x comma y. So what are the x values here? 0 and 4. And the y values are 5 and 2. Point 0 comma 5 and 4 comma 2. So let us arrange these points on the graph. Then they will intersect. And let us see at what point they will intersect. That is only solution. Now plot these points on the graph. Then the lines will intersect at a point. That point is only solution of the given pair of linear equation. So let us plot these points on the graph. So here that all values are 0 to 1, simple values are there. So take each 1 centimeter as 1 unit. So here the origin is 0, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. So this is x-axis, it is x dash. It is y-axis, it is y dash. So on the x dash, all the negative values. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. On the y-axis, positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like so on. And on the y dash, all the negative integers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. So first plot the first point, first line. With the first line, that is 0 comma 0, means x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is also 0. So they intersect at the origin. Fine. Next, the second point is 2 comma 1. X coordinate is 2 and the y coordinate is 1. So at here they will meet. So these 2 points are enough to draw the line. So let us draw the line. Next, plot the second line. The 0 comma 5. The x coordinate is 0 and the y coordinate is 5. So at this point they will meet. Perfect. Next, the second point is 4 comma 2. X coordinate is 4 and the y coordinate is 2. So at this point they will meet. So join them. So this is the first line, that is x minus 2y equal to 0, and this is the second line, that is 3x plus 4y equal to 20. So these two lines are intersecting at this point. So what is the x coordinate for this point? The x coordinate is y and the x coordinate is 4 and the y coordinate is 4. So at 4 comma 2, these two lines are intersecting. So the solution of the pair of equations are 4 comma 2. So here the intersecting lines, here we got a solution, but the parallel lines there is no solution, and for the coincident line there are many solutions. For parallel lines, the lines they will never intersect. They go in this way or in this way they will go. They never meet at any point. And for the coincident lines, the one line lies on the other line. They have infinite number of solutions. So in this way, we can find the solution of the linear equations by using the graph.